I've lost my nest. Where are my eggs? Over here, over there. My little eggs, where did you go? My babies! Where are my babies? I found my nest, I found my eggs. It's a thief! It's a thief! My little eggs, get away from them!
Oh, I'm not an egg thief.
Oviraptor the egg thief.
I thought I left them right there, right in front of the tallest tree. Where could they be? Is it here? Or over there?
Mommy Protoceratops was looking for her nest. But it seems like she can't find it.
Oh, flowers, how pretty! Since my babies are just as beautiful, they must be by the flowers. Let's see. Oh, no, no, no! Get away! Move! What are you doing here? Are you trying to steal my babies?
Excuse me? This is my nest.
Maybe she's not a thief. No, no! I must be right. Help me! Help me! There's an egg thief here!
After hearing Protoceratops, dinosaurs started to gather one by one.
What is it?
Happening over there?
What's happening?
What's happened? Oh, well. This egg thief, she tried to steal my eggs while I went for a drink of water.
Are you really an egg thief?
Wow, you definitely look like an egg thief.
Oh my goodness. Can you believe it?
No, that's not true. Please, listen to me.
Why do we have to listen to you? You must be an egg thief.
No, I'm not. They're my eggs.
I can't believe it. Now you're saying they're your eggs?
Just then, Troodon appeared. Troodons were known to be wise amongst dinosaurs.
What's with all the noise?
She got caught stealing my eggs, and now she's saying they're hers.
That's not true. She suddenly appeared and started calling me a thief.
At times like this, we need to think. Let me see. I think I have a good idea. Since there are 10 eggs, you should each take 5.
What?
Just wait. I'll divide them equally for you.
Oh no, you can't. The babies might get hurt if you move them like that.
What should we do?
Since there are 10 eggs and 2 moms, this is the best way. Then do you have a better idea?
Just take them.
It's because they're not your eggs.
Oh, that's
I get it. Since you were the one thinking of the safety of the eggs, you must be the real mom.
Then what about me? I'm a mom too. I don't want my babies to get hurt either.
But you did not have the same urge to protect your eggs. Besides, time will solve this problem.
It was at that moment the babies started to hatch.
See? Do you still think I'm an egg thief? They look like me. They're my babies.
I'm sorry. Then where are my eggs?
Oh, everyone's here. Where is Mommy Protoceratops?